How to remove someone from family sharing if they're under 13. Here's what you need to do. Load up the browser on your iPhone and search for delete Apple account. Now you will click on Apple Data and Privacy, this website, and here you will select use a different Apple account. Now you will need to sign in using your child's account. So here I'm just going to do that. I'm gonna sign in with the email, okay, and then gonna click on continue, and I will also provide the password, so give me a second here. Okay, so once you sign in, it is gonna ask you for the code here to verify the account ownership, and now here you will see this option, request to delete your account. You want to click on request to delete your account here, and parental consent is required to delete your account. So here you will click on request consent. Parental consent request the message has been sent to your family organizer. You can view the status, so on and so forth. So now you will need to open up that request. Okay, so I got the request on my email, and here to approve the request you will need to sign into your Apple account. So we're gonna click on that, and we will use the default browser here. Again, we will need to sign in with our account. So I'm just going to sign in with Face ID. Okay, data and privacy, approval to delete. You can approve the deletion before you should make a legal copy. Okay, so here you will select a reason. I will choose this option, and I will need to enter the security code for my Visa. So I'm going to do that. Now it's going to show you this terms and conditions. I have read, and you want to click on continue. Now again, I will press on continue here. Okay, so I just had to confirm the code, and here it's going to show us this, and we can just click on delete account. Once you click on delete account, it's going to say that working on the deletion request. And that's how you do it. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.